Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. I am Sunjit Hajra. Today I am going to show you how to transfer Excel workbooks to MS Word documents. So let's get started. So we all make workbooks and tables in Excel. But sometimes we need to transfer them to Word for more formatting and designing. So for that we have to go to Word and you have to select a blank document, or if you want you can also select any template. Now we have to go to the Insert tab and we have to go to the option here. Now click on Create from File. Now we have to enter the file name, or you can browse the file name. So here we have to save this thing first. You can save as you want to name it. Now we have to browse it and find that thing and click Insert. Now you have two options here, link to file or display as icon. You don't need to select any of these if you want so. Okay, let's click now on this. Okay, and see the table has been transported from Excel to the Word. So if you want, now you can just make this smaller or bigger or do it as you want. So that was all for today. Hope you learned something new and like this video. I will be back next time with more better content. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching.